Hey guys, Dead OK here, and I'm just going to show you, not quickly at all, how to set up music service v1.4.7. You hear that? It's 1.4.7. Okay, I'm over that now. Okay, first thing, like last time, you have to download the plugin. Once you do that, it will blah blah blah. It will take you to, once you download, it will music service. It will go to WinRAR. It'll go to WinRAR. It'll go to there. It'll be a RAR, and you just open it, and it'll go there. Then you go to your server inside of a server again, because that's how I roll. Put it in here. So just like, I shouldn't have done that. Ah, damn it. Anyway, once you put it over there, you're going to want to run the server once. That will generate the config file, or maybe it won't generate it'll generate the config file eventually. If it doesn't generate that, and it'll most likely be just blank. But if it's blank, and that will definitely change pretty soon, eventually. I'll show you what to type in right now. So first thing you want to do is, I'll put this in the description, copy all of this text, and it can literally just be like, none of my stuff. It'll probably just be like this. No, I'll have my stuff, just to give you a base point. So yeah, first thing gonna wanna add this, because I'm running a Linux server. You will probably understand what it is if you're running a Linux server. So this is where, as you can see, the www.Root. If you have a web server, watch this half. If you don't, skip to a part that I click the annotation right now in the you have to find it on the screen. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. Click that annotation, find the little bugger, click it, and that'll send you to the next to the half of the video where I teach you about, if you don't have a web server and you want to use the internal one that has been built and has not been explained about how to use at all. But that's partially my fault. So anyway, this part is for if you have your own web server. It's quite similar to before. So yeah, this www.Root, it's where you keep your servers, your web server, the root web server folder. So as you can see, well, you probably can't, but there. This is the, on my Linux server. This is in the root, is in the main file system. It's like the C drive of the Linux server. So and this is never used, so I just plunk this in there. LAMP spells for Linux, I don't know, Linux something server. It's the same as WAMP or xampp, except for Linux. So you open that, and then you go inside htdocs, because everything else is for LAMP, surprisingly. And so you open htdocs, and this is your www.Root. This is where your main index. I gotta set this to open with. Edit with, no. Choose default program. My God, why are you using all that crap? There you are. My God. Yeah, that's my website. Yeah, so where your main index, why have you not changed? Apparently it did. Anyway, the icon, I hate that icon. So where your main index, where when they type in whatever your website is, they will get that. That was what I showed you. That was the text. So, yeah, you type in that, and that could be like C. That could be like C. Is it that way? Yeah, it is. C program files, blah blah blah, and that would be the folder, and you have to have that at the end, so it could be blah blah blah, and then that. You have to have that there. But because mine is a Linux server and it is hosted on a separate server, which is fine because this is on there. You'll understand. If you're following along, you'll understand. So anyway, yeah, that's where it is, and that's all you have to type in there. The refresh row is your website. And because it's your website, so my website is, as I showed you before, ingamers.net, blah blah blah, and you have to have that cross. But then because unless you don't want them just when they're listening to music and it refreshes to show if you move and it refreshes, because that's how this plugin works, to send them back to your main page. No, you want them to go to your main thing. So you add a slash, /, yeah, I think the top part indicates whether it's forwards or back, / music, and then you have to add a slash, otherwise it won't work. Trust me, we went through that last time. I had a ton of issues. Yeah, so slash, I think. And then you won't even need that. If you're using if you're using your own web server, you've got a website, you want to use that, you don't even need it. But it's helpful. No, you do need it. If you're using your own website, you do need that. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Yeah, you need that. So you'll need that, and then what am I doing? Yeah, so that should work now. Hopefully. So this is a PuTTY connection to my server, just Linux SSH connection. It's just how I start my server. You could use the .bat file, whatever you use on your server to start it. Just start it, and as long as you get no errors or stuff. And I have in my server, because I've mapped the drive because I'm cool like that. Server inside of a server. That's just what I have. I think they're all depends, so you could delete all of them but music service, and it should still work. Don't quote me on that. Try it yourself. If it doesn't work, yell at me in the comments. Leave me a comment below. Yeah, so you should be able to just leave that, but we'll leave that open. So then you can connect, and voila, you're here. Now, I hopefully, because I was just messing around with it, and I think I found a slight bug. Yeah, I did. But it shouldn't matter, because you can we'll fix that soon. And so yeah, you can go on creative or whatever, get some diamond blocks, double click, or be on faction land. I've explained this, watch the previous video, that's still good, for this part. So you then but except now the one thing that's changed is you right click and it will give you that little radio tower height. And yeah, so now you can do the way you find music, instead of having to go to the shoutcast, extrapolating the main data file to get the IP of the actual shoutcast server, which I didn't even do. I just took the other guy's demonstration server. You can just find music, and it'll give you that because you're an idiot and you don't put a search string in there. So let's do dubstep. Actually, no, that gives you terrible music. Let's do Syndicate, because that is a fun game and is illegal in Australia. And it will probably say, oh, no, there's actually some. My station name. No, that's a terrible idea. Let's not do Syndicate. Leave me a comment of what you thought I should have done below. Let's do music, because that will give me a ton of things. Oh my god, only 2? 3. But still. Meditation music. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is type /set music. These commands may change, might not, but they might. So we might add Vault configuration so that you can just type in like / I don't know, music and help, or /help music or whatever /help, and you see how if you have Volt, do I have Volt? Yeah, I have Volt, and it will give you all the like commands, and then you can do /help music. Oh look, /help music service. Oh look, you can do it. That's cool. I didn't even know. Huh. Ah, reload the music at the... Ah, so that's why. Screw bugs. I think I fixed it. Reloading music. Did okay. Did I? No, I didn't. Never mind. Yeah, so anyway. Ignore me. Just ignore it. Find music. Did we find some music? We did. Find some music. Then /set music 0 or whatever. Whatever, I don't really care. Use the little indication numbers there to tell you which one. And so then you can go set music, and then whoever's on, you can give them the thing of where to go, and it will give you the index. Now, because we've changed that on the internal web server, but we haven't on this one yet. We'll probably change it on this one as well because it just looks neater, and I may make a cooler looking version because I like HTML and PHP. Yeah, so you click your name, and this will open, and it should work. Wait, I'm in faction land. I'm gonna fly really far away. It's 2, so oh, green. It's 2, so it might be. I gotta think. Well, that's odd. 10 is like 49 blocks. I'm pretty sure I've traveled more than 49 blocks, and that was only 2. Times set 0. Anyway, yeah, so it should work for you. There may be a couple of bugs, but tell us about them in the comments below or the main Bucket Dev play page. This is a pretty good song. I like it. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but anyway. Ah yeah. Boom 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 boom. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off because it's gonna distract me so much. Anyway, okay, so that's the end of this part of the tutorial. The next part is the internal web server, which is going to be interesting. Thanks. Okay, hello. So this is the section of the plugin of the tutorial where I teach you about the section of the plugin that is the internal web server, which seems to have worked in the few hours I've used it, but I don't know. So let's find out. The first thing we're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to get the description out of the bottom that I showed you. This is all from last half of the video. We're gonna want to set that to false. Now, I think that's all I have to do, but let's find out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Actually, let's control Z that. I don't even know what I'm meant to be doing right now. 8888. I haven't actually used the. I haven't set it up. I've used it, but I haven't set it up. All I know is it should work. So then if we reload it and go $.8888. See, this is the nice, if you heard me in the last half, this is the nice bit I was talking about where you just type in your name. It looks quite nice. See, yeah, it doesn't work because I think, yes, I think I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not I don't know. Hold on. Let me just. Yeah, that's mine. Let me check. Let's make something. Let's just test. I haven't actually used it yet. If this is messing with your head, if this what is it? FOV, I think. Fine music. Yeah, FOV. Dubstep. Is messing with your head. Don't worry. I've gotten used to it. You don't have to look at it for long. Okay. Now once you've done that, set music 0, just to set the dubstep. Yeah, I'm right. That's not right, but I'm doing something. Did I, or did I not? Yes, I did. That was stupid of me. I'm gonna get rid of the slash. No, that's right. See, I haven't used this yet, so it's a learning curve for me. What do I do? Hold on, I'm reading. Shush. Why do I have two open? I found a way, if you open up your mind. It'd probably help if I reloaded after doing all these changes and like, why is it not working? Try reloading. Let's try this. It should still be finding my username. I mean, that's not right. This is either a bug or I'm an idiot. Probably both. Port. Let's try that. If you can't stand my singing, please leave me a comment. And if you can, leave me a like or something. I don't know. Yes. Maybe I should have it. I don't know. I actually don't know. Yeah, this should probably be your IP, but seeing as I have a website page thing that leads to my IP, it shouldn't matter. Ow. I think I'm going insane. Jokes. I am insane. Yeah. Yes, I know. Shut up. See, this is the choppy little fix. This is the nice little fix that he's added in while I screwed around with my laptop. If you see these, don't worry, these are fine. It's these. Every time you create one of these, it makes one of these, and it checks if there's already one there, blah blah blah. And I'm an idiot. I truly am. Hold on, give me a minute. I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Hold on, how do I pause? I only know how to stop and delete. Well, aren't I a numpty? Yeah. It's case sensitive. Yeah. So, capital letter, and oh, you're joking me. You just had it. Capital D, dead of okay, you little bugger. Are you getting shy for the camera? I think it's getting shy for the camera. I'm not sure. Yes. Oh wait, that shouldn't be there. Maybe I should do a reload. I haven't done one of them in a while. Oh, now I do want the way to tell if there's actually a thing there. Now I do want the back in there, if you saw the previous half of the tutorial, how it showed whose was in there. Now I do want that. Maybe I'll add that into the thing. find music, dub, I'll just type awesome. I really don't care. Awesome. Search music. Armenian Christian Internet Radio. Alright. No. Awesome Tunes USA sounds cool. Set music 7, blah blah blah. Click. There we go. There's currently no music. That's what I had to do. I think we fixed that problem with the other one, but we didn't. I think that was the same problem that happened on the other one, but we didn't fix it on this one. I hope I just made sense. I think we fixed it on the previous one, but not on this one. So I'm gonna just get rid of that because it might. Yeah, actually, probably will break it when I do this. Hold on, let me check. I really could use some music right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I broke it. Let's re-add that. Do a reload. Make sure this is working. Yeah, it is working. Why is it working? There we go. That's what I wanted. Huh. It doesn't keep the case sensitive. I may have found a bug. Maybe. Don't say I have or haven't. Let me try and use a. No, I don't even know. Hold on. Give me a moment. I'm having a moment with technology. Give me a. It's rare. But username equals div. Okay, that makes more sense. It's probably because I deleted this. Set music 7. So 5. Let's do 5. And then let's reload. As you can see, I would highly recommend using the other one because I am just a numpty, I think. Yeah, I am a numpty right now. I will if I haven't cut this, I'm sorry. I should have. I really am a numpty. Hold on. What's a reload by? It just needs to have the actual collision. How about a slash? Let's add a slash. For I'm bored sakes. Perhaps if I log in and back out. And then we do a div, okay. Still not found. Am I ever found? Why are you not finding me? Seriously. Oh, I'm dead of okay, by the way. I don't remember saying that, so I'll just ask. I'm gonna find this on my server. Hold on. No, go away. Plugins, music service. Huh. Why are you not there? Close. I don't like that though. Close. So breaking it wasn't very nice, but whatever. Control S. / reload. Just because I can. Doesn't mean I should. Why is this not working? I wonder why. I'm actually having a moment with technology right now. Maybe it's having two open at the same time, I don't know. Devil care. No. No, that's not the right. I can hear it laughing at me. Why do you taunt me, computer? Why, oh why, oh why? Now, I have a feeling that it has something to do with the www.Root because it's not even finding me. It could be a bug or something. I don't even know. Maybe it just needs to stop. Hold on, stopping. Oh wait, no, I'm not even in there, am I? So that way it would not find me. Although, what difference would that make? Not funny. Seriously, I'm not a funny man. Today. Every other day. Oh, finally! Now let's see if I break it. Oh, it's not case sensitive when it reloads. But for some reason it is when it doesn't. Ugh. Sorry, I just tapped you. I just ran into your face. Let's see if I can break it. Let's see if I can get it working. Why did I do that? Set music. Yes, this is 0. And this should change any second now. There we go. Of course, I have a network error. I don't know why. Oh, I know I'm gonna get yelled at by Blake because he beats me. No, yeah, I don't know. He comes into Minecraft and he hits me with the stick. Yeah, I don't know. What is going on? Maybe it's just my network. Maybe it's their network. Maybe it's everyone's network. Yes. See, there's the creation of the extra thing. I don't know why it's automatically 305, but I don't know. It's probably just a bug. It's probably just we've coded, like, added a 0 where a 1 should have been or something. I don't know. But use external web server for now. There'll be an annotation if I'm being a complete idiot, and there'll probably be another annotation to another video that I make, or Blake. I don't really know. It'll probably be like an annotation to a video that Blake makes to explain to me how to do it, how to do this, and then I'll make another one. I don't even know. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna continue messing around with this, and I'll upload the video. Good night, and it's late. Good night, and farewell. I'm doing the Spock thing. Live long and die in a hole. Goodbye.